This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hello, friends! Today we're gonna learn numbers. Let's go! 0. Round like a donut.
Yes!
1. Straight like a stick. 2. Curvy and cool like a swan. 3. Kinda look like 2 round cookies. 4. It clunks in like a little chair. 5. Half circle, half line. Funny shape. 6. Swirls in like a snail shell. 7. Zigzag shape like lightning. 8. 2 circles stacked like a snowman. 9. It looks like a balloon on a string. Whoa! The numbers are jumbling all around.
Whoa!
Let's find a first number. Is it number 4? Nope. Maybe number 3? Still no. It's 0. Yes, we found it. Time to paint. Turquoise. Careful, don't cross the lines. 0 looks empty, like a donut hole. Did you know 0 means nothing?
Yes!
But 0 is super important in math. Without 0, we couldn't count past 9. Green! Green inside for a pop of color. Nice and neat. 0 is shining now. 0 is all dressed up now. 0. Back to the table it goes. Okay, which number is next? Number 2. Not this time. Number 6? Not yet. Is it 1? Yeep, that's the 1. This number 1 has some dots. Red. Painting number 1 with red paint. Smooth brush strokes around the dots. Number 1 is special. It's the very beginning. Like the first step you take when walking. Yellow. Now fill the dots with yellow. Confetti for our champion. Number 1. 1 goes right next to 0. Is number 5 the next one? Try again. Is it number 2? Gotcha! This number 2 has some lines. Orange. Orange brush. Here we go. 2 means a pair, like 2 eyes, 2 hands. Light green. 2 colors, 2 friends. Looking cool. 2 is done. Right next to 1. Could it be 8 the next? Not today. What about 3? Yes, that's right. Yellow. Let's go slow around the petals. Careful with the curves, they're a bit tricky. 3 means tricycles. 1, 2, 3 wheels. 3 also makes a trio, like the 3 little pigs. Which other trio do you know? Now light blue for the flowers. Looks like a garden full of colors. Confetti blast. Number 3 joins the row, right over here. Is 8 ready for coloring? Nope. 4 seems to be up for a color adventure. Green. These dots and round spots need extra care. Just go easy on the strokes. Did you know? There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Which season is your favorite? Mine is summer. Pink. Now pink for the circles. They look like candy spots. Ta-da! It's done. 4 stands tall. Is it 6's turn now? Not this time. Is it 5's turn then? That's right. Light blue. 5 is fun, like 5 friends on an adventure. 5 means a high five. Dark blue. Dark blue fills the gaps. 2 shades of blue together. Looking neat and shiny now. 5 is done. 5 sparkles bright. Next. Nope. Not 8. 6. Right. 6 is next. Ready to color? Light purple zigzags first. Nice and smooth along the lines. Did you know bugs have 6 legs? Dark blue fills the empty spots. 6 is such a curvy number, like a snail shell. Oh, snowflakes have 6 sides too. Isn't 6 a cool number? 6 is almost done. Yay! 6 is all set. 6! It's taking its spot now. Aha! It's number 7's turn. It's the lucky little explorer. Purple. 7 looks like a tiny rainbow slide. It reminds us that there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Swish, swish. Careful brush around the hearts, please. Nice and steady. You're doing great. Next color is pink. Pink hearts join in. Love and luck are together now. 7's ready for the squad. Take the spot, please. Moving on to the next number. Nope, not 9. Yes, next is number 8, the snowman number. Let's start with pink. Pink swirls going round and round the circles. Be careful, no spills. Good job. Did you know? 8 looks the same upside down. Yellow for the buttons. Isn't it cute? And a touch of green. All ready for snow fun? 8 brings extra chills to the squad. Here comes number 9. Let's paint it bright orange. Careful around those stars. They tickle. Ha ha. Number 9 looks ready to float away. Remember? Balloon on a string. 9 loves flying high above the clouds. Up, up, up. But don't fly away. Hold tight, little balloon. Don't drift to space. 9 looks like it's having the best day ever. Red, orange, yellow, green, turquoise, light blue, blue, purple, and pink twinkling stars. And that makes number 9 is the superstar. Yay! Now the numbers are all dressed up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We did it. See you soon.
How many times? Chop, chop.
Right, we better get to work.
Let's play.
Beautiful, looking good. Oh, it's that customer I bumped into earlier. Hello, can I help you, madam?
Hey, I don't know. I came in for something, but I don't know what it was.
Have you got a list?
No, it's all in my head. Somewhere. I just can't find it. Oh, there it is. Can you get me some bananas, please?
Some bananas, no problem. Anything else?
Oh, a prune yoghurt.
Prune yoghurt, right?
Chocolate sprinkles.
Right, so you need some bananas, a prune yoghurt, and some chocolate sprinkles. Leave it to me, madam.
Oh, now what else do I need?
Bananas, prune yoghurt, and chocolate sprinkles. Wow, this is a big supermarket. So many things to buy. Oh, yes. Right, bananas. Oh, you got a lot of shopping.
Yes, I remember quite a bit. Would you straighten my glasses?
Of course. There we are.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so bananas, there, and the yoghurt can go there.
Is that the chocolate sprinkles?
Yep, and they can go there.
Oh, great. Right, now, what else do I need?
Excuse me, you might find it easy if you get yourself a trolley.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, just over there. Okay. I think I better help her in case she drops everything. Too late.
Oh, dear.
Let me help.
I think I walked into the wall.
There you are. I'll give you a hand. We'll put everything into the trolley. Oh no, the trolley's stuck. Stand back. I'm going to pull the trolley out.
Oh, dear. Oh, let me help you.
Thank you.
We both seem to be spending a lot of time on the floor.
Yeah. Oh no, my display.
It's a bit messy. Oh, yeah, let me help you.
Oh no, don't worry. That's my job. Come on, let's sort your shopping out first.
Okay.
So why is the shopping trolley stuck? Oh, it's attached to a chain. Hold on, I remember you. In some supermarkets, to release the trolley, you need to put a coin into the slot and then you can take it away. Here we go. There we are, one trolley. Now we can put the shopping in.
Thank you.
Let's play.
Thank you, Sid.
Right, no problem. See ya, bye. Right, I better get this lot tidied up before Mrs. Clark... Mrs. Clark!
What has been happening here?
Oh, nothing, I was just...
Look at these tins. I told you to make a display, not hurl them all over the store.
Yes, well, I was just about to...
Please, just get a move on.
Of course, absolutely. Right, I better get this lot sorted.
Sorry. Hello. Oh, I've got a cold. I'm looking for some flour. Achoo!
Flowers in R5, sir. Would you like me to show you?
Yes, please. Achoo!
Bless you, yes, this way. There you are, sir. Flower.
He's not here.
Oh, no. We've run out.
Oh, dear. Oh, well. Bye.
What a shame. Still, you can't magic flour out of thin air, can you? Hold on, I remember you. If the supermarket shelves are empty, they can be filled by collecting goods from a building at the back of the shop called a warehouse. Excuse me, Mr. Man with the cold.
Hello, yes?
I can get you some flour from the warehouse. Wait there a moment.
What a clever chap.
Let's play.
Now, where is the flour? Flour. Oh, there it is. Right. Oh, it's a bit high. Hold on. Oh, no, it's just too high. Aha. Right. If I could just get to the top of this and then reach up. Got it. Oh, no.
Let's play.
One bag of flour.
Thank you.
No problem. Well,
Bye. Achoo!
bless you. Oh, no, look at me. I'm covered in flour. I'm covered in flour. There's flour all over me. I'm covered in flour.
What are you doing?
I was just...
Yes, and why is this box here? And why are you covered in flour?
Good questions, all of them. I was helping the customer and... I'll clean it up right away. Leave it with me.
Yes, please.
Oops.
Let's play.
There we are, all clean. I'll just put this lot in the bin. I'll keep one piece, though. Right. Oh, Mrs. Clark, I was just doing it.
Well, that can wait for a moment. I needed to go on the tills.
The tills? Great. I've always wanted to do that. Putting the items through, checking the prices, putting them things in the bag.
It isn't a game, Sid.
No, of course not. Where do I go?
Over there.
Right away. Oh. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Hello, this is till number 7. Till number 7 is now open. Come one, come all. Till number 7 is open. Thank you. Hello, madam. Oh, sorry. Hello. Oh, you got a lot of shopping.
Yes, I couldn't remember what I needed, so I decided to buy pretty much everything.
Oh, raisins. So how much do these cost? Raisins! How can I tell how much it costs? There isn't a label on it, just these stripes. Hold on, I remember you. When a supermarket worker wants to find out the price of an item, he uses the stripy barcode label. When it is scanned by a computer, it tells him how much something costs. Yes, raisins, £3. I can put through your shopping now.
Lovely.
Let's play.
Bye-bye, sir. Hope the dog likes his biscuits. Oh, hello, Mrs. Clark. I wasn't resting. He went to...
I have a very important job for you to do. We've had this order for a shopping delivery. Can you do that?
Can I do it, Mrs. Clark? What do you think?
I don't know. Can you?
I think so. Yeah, leave it with me.
Good. Maureen, how many times? Aubergines, I'll eat.
Right, so we've got party blowers, plastic toys and cake. Sounds like someone's having a party. I'll get this stuff together and get off and deliver it.
Let's play.
This looks like the place. Yes, it sounds like there's a party going on. Hello.
Oh, are you from the supermarket? Please say you are. Stephen, put that jelly down.
Yes, I've got some toys and I've got some balloons and I've got all the...
Thank goodness, they're for the party bags. And the cake? Where's the cake? Have you brought the cake?
Oh, yes, I've got a nice big...
Oh, thank goodness. Bring it. Please bring it.
OK, I'll go and fetch it for you now.
Thank goodness. As soon as possible. Help, Mummy, I'm up here. Robert, get down from that.
Oh, no. One of my wheels has fallen off. What am I going to do? Hold on. I know what we can use, do you? We can use this. Brilliant. Fixed.
Oh, my shopping. You don't know how happy this makes me. The children will love it. And then their mummies and daddies can come and take them home. Oh, good.
No problem, madam.
Let's play.
Right, I need to finish this display. There, done.
My. That is excellent. Well done, Sydney.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good.
Is that who I think it is?
I don't know. Who do you think it is?
Is that Mrs. Pumphrey?
Yes, she's been checking everything.
And who do we have here?
We have me. I'm Sid.
And this? Who did this?
That was me.
Very good. Very good indeed.
Sydney is one of our best workers.
Best workers is here. Well, you know what we give our best workers, don't you?
No?
We give them a star. Star Worker of the Month. I think he deserves that, don't you, Mrs. Clark?
If you think so, absolutely.
There you go. Well done.
Wow, I've enjoyed being a supermarket worker, but we'd never have done such a good job without remembering everything we needed to know. In some supermarkets, you need to push a coin into a slot to release a shopping trolley. Supermarket shelves can be filled up by collecting goods from a warehouse, and a supermarket worker can find out the price of an item by using the striped barcode on the label. Well, I think it's time we went home. Thanks for a lovely day, Mrs. Clark.
No, thank you, Sydney.
Bye.
Bye.